first time. Toast to the good life. Good life. Yeah, yeah. Just let go and free your mind. Free your mind. Let the beat be your lifeline. Lifeline. Make it feel like the first time. Your heart, control your mind. Make it feel like the first time.
Out here. Stuck in Look, it seems like today everyone is so distracted by something that hasn't happened, just updates with no action, and time is passing, you're only gonna be young once. If you don't stop and look around, you might miss something that you should have done. Every time you come around, I don't ever hear one word that you say, cause I'm so lost. Tom Hanks, Castaway, ocean blue eyes, I'm captivated. And do you remember the time that I told you I'll be here whenever? Cause I won't forget your response when you said I should stay here forever. And I ain't talking about cartoons, but you know I'm drawn to you, yeah. Love doesn't work by itself, it's like chains and these two. And I'm not just rapping. If I could write down every thought in my heart, yeah, I can show you that's how it happens. Got me up all night, cupcaking. Random discussions about who knows what love is. Yeah, I got ideas, but that's all just because it's from you and how you made me feel. Like nothing else matters, and for a moment it's like time stands still.
It's like I'm stuck in a Kodak with you. Stuck in a Kodak. It's like I'm stuck in a Kodak with you, girl. You know I'm stuck in a Kodak. It's me and you. up, let's get it ready to go. Snap, flash, you and me together, time going slow. And you know, yeah, that I can be there in a minute. If you need it, I'ma give it to you. Cause when we kick it and we kissing, yeah, the feeling is true. Girl, you make them sunsets get jealous. It's attraction, distraction whenever you in my presence. Cause baby, I don't know if you know this, but all them little things about you don't go unnoticed. So just keep doing what you're doing. I'll be right here with you, and we just vibing, we cruising. These moments can go in a flash, so make sure that you making it last. Cause when I'm with you, it's like I'm stuck in a Kodak. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in a Kodak with you. Stuck in a Kodak. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in a Kodak with you, girl. You know I'm stuck in a Kodak. It's me and you. Yeah. Stuck in a Kodak.
I feel like I just seen the sun for the first time. You make my life bright cause you shine. It's me and you, baby, it's our time. I'm living my dream, girl, cause you mine. You got me skipping down the street and singing love songs all out of key. I didn't smoke them, but I feel so high, and I know why. It's a love thing, it's got to be. Your heart's on lock and I got the key. It feels like I just want a lot to breathe. Cause I got my girl and she got me. You my new obsession, all I want to do. You my new obsession, girl.
I feel on top of the world with you, baby. I wanna dance and party tonight. I feel on top of the world with my lady. I'm gonna rock your body all night.
She makes me wanna sing la 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 la. Everything you do is feeling right. Remember that way you caught my eye? I remember that way you was walking by. Ooh, girl, watch out now. You looked at me, turned around and smiled. Gave me eyes, my heart went wild. Hypnotized, this love starts now. And how do I know you real? It really doesn't matter, it's the way I feel. You make me feel super like the man of steel. You got me going stupid, picking daffodils. You my new obsession, all I want to do. You my new obsession, girl.
I feel on top of the world with you, baby. I wanna dance and party tonight. I feel on top of the world with my lady. I'm gonna rock your body all night.
She makes me wanna sing la 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 la.
Tonight I feel on top of the world with my lady. I'm gonna rock your body all night.
I met you when I was a teen, but then you were one as well. And I could play a guitar just like ringing a bell. Sometimes I wonder, in any other summer, could you have been my part-time lover to me? Listening to Stevie Wonder under the covers where we used to lay, and Restacks is what the speakers played. I'll be on tour almost every day. When I was home up in my flat is where we used to stay, just watching the DVD, smoking illegal weed, getting high as two kites when we needed to breathe. We'd use each other's air just for the people to see, and stay up all night like when we needed to sleep. We'd go anywhere our minds would take us, and I'll say you were beautiful without your makeup.